We are looking for clues. We are looking for clues on a lovely day. A clue. Yeah, it is great to be outside.
A clue.
Oh, don't worry, we can find clues outside too.
No, a clue. Right there.
Oh, there is a clue. Right there. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. So, our first clue is shapes. So, I'll start with a circle, and then a shape like the letter X. Then a swirl. There, shapes.
A clue. No, a clue.
Oh, you see a clue? Right there, on the grass. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. Right, so our second clue is grass. So we draw grass with a line that goes up and down, and a line underneath there, grass.
A clue.
Yeah, phew. Fixing the seasons is really hard work.
A clue right there.
Oh, there's something out of place here too? Is it my hair?
No, a clue.
There is a clue just floating around up here in the sky. That means the sky is our third clue. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy
Notebook.
Right. Okay. The sky. Hey, how did blue reach all the way up there in the sky? It's impressive.